how to sign into YouTube TV on Smart TV. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into YouTube TV on your Smart TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to sign into YouTube TV on your Smart TV, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Smart TV. If it isn't installed, download it from the App Store. Step 2. Go to the left hand navigation and select Sign In. Step 3. You can sign in using your phone, TV, or web browser. Step 4. Using your phone. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi Fi network as your TV. Open the YouTube app and follow the instructions to sign in. Step 5. Using your TV. Select Sign In on your TV, enter your Google account email or phone number, then click Next. Enter your password and verify your account. Step 6. Using a web browser. Select Sign In with a web browser. A code will appear on your TV. On your phone, tablet, or computer, go to youtube.com/tv/activate. Enter the code and sign in with your Google account. So that's how you can sign into YouTube TV on your Smart TV. That's all for this video.